Welcome to another updates video. These updates are to the employee tracker for July 2019. First, I'll go through all the new features that have been added and then through the various fixes that have been put in as well. First new feature is a policy called themes. You'll notice here that the tracker has a new look. This is controlled through the policy called theme. In the policy screen under custom, under theme, we can go to advanced settings, and the theme can be changed to either old school, which was the original look, or to the new look named obsolescent. We have another new policy titled extended use of custom absent colors. With this active, the custom schedule color defined in the absent code will be used not only in the schedule, but in time and attendance and time approval center. The default and manual flags in the employee's time bank profile can now be edited in a batch in the advanced time bank action screen with these two switches. The employee batch edit screen now has a new option for web password random. This allows for assigning a random password for the employee self-service. The options for the random password are seen here. We added a new option to the work shift analysis report for summary and department summary. With this option enabled, it will show the total amount of hours worked in a department within that particular time frame. While setting up positions, you now have the ability to attach a shift premium to that position. Previously, you would only be able to attach shift premiums to the shift codes or the employee profile. This allows for greater flexibility in applying premiums based on a position worked, rather than a shift or an individual person. To attach a premium to the position, simply check off the premium and then check off the type of time that the premium would apply to. In the time transaction analysis report, with the absentee summary option enabled, this will now display the grand absentee total. We've added a new policy under categories ESS, send ESS emails. In the advanced settings, the correct ESS URL can be entered. Once this policy is enabled, it will add a new menu item to the employees screen under utilities, send ESS mobile setup notifications. Here we can select to send to either the primary or secondary email, and we can select to send the ESS link for the employee self-service and a link to the mobile app invitation link. This will be used once we release our mobile app, which is scheduled to be released by the end of August. When the send ESS mobile link email is generated, it will send your employees an email just like this. It will send their login details and a link to the employee self-service, as well as a link to the App Store, which will download the app and automatically link the app to your employee tracker database. That being said, again, the mobile app is not ready at this point and is scheduled to be released by the end of August. That sums up all the features added. I'll now go through the various fixes that have been applied in this update. The employee batch edits now correctly applies the no default code if that is selected. In the advanced schedule posting screen, under Actions, Post Schedules, it will now prompt to make sure that you do intend to post a schedule. Fixed a calculation issue using time bank accrual formula set to hours with the include previous hours override enabled. The remove duplicates feature can now remove duplicate caught shifts. Fixed an issue with the holiday pay run where it would not calculate if the calculate distribute option was not enabled in the recalculate options screen. Fixed an issue in the holiday pay run where the preview report would overstate the hours posted if the employee had no default rule. In the employee batch edit screen, we fixed an issue where the no default code was not selectable. Fixed a display issue that would occur if the positional detail screen had the draw these values from employee default set for the previous hours override. Fixed an issue with the variance and standard hours categorization in the time approval center if the variance of early or late beyond rounding interval was enabled with shifts that crossed midnight. It will now correctly display the employee in either variance or standard hours. Fixed a situation where a time override would error out and overpay. fixed a column layout issue in the hours worked analysis report when the report was set to output to Excel.